is a shiur on the Tefilla. We finished the Viduy with Lanu. That was the last Viduy that we did others astray. That's the last Viduy that we said in the other third order. And we admit to our Baruch that not only we sinned ourselves, we made others also to do sin. After that, we say, Sanu Mesotecha Mishpatecha Tovim. Sanu, we turned away from your commandment and Mishpatecha, your laws, and Tovim, your good. Velo Shava, and it wasn't beneficial to us. It wasn't Sanu Mesotecha. We said, why do we repeat again the Sanu Mesotecha? If you notice, all of the that we said, all of them, we are talking about those commandments that we shouldn't do. Whatever that we say is something that we shouldn't have done, and we did. Now we have two averot. One averot, we have something that Hashem says don't do, present as, or some averot that Hashem says do it, and the person didn't do it. Hashem says put on tefillin, the person doesn't put on tefillin, you have it. Hashem says eat matzah, you have it. Every mitzvah that they have to do. Now, with Sanu Mitzvotecha, that comes to mitzvah aseh. They say, well, here, when Mechabit, Sanu, we turn away from Mitzvotecha, mitzvah aseh, push to your laws that we didn't do. It's a Viduy on mitzvah aseh. Now, then, at the end of it, we say, we Shava. In other words, that's the greatest admission. If a person does something, and you tell him that, why do this? Yeah, I got some benefit. Now, next time, worth it or not, I have to figure out whether it's worth it, the benefit or not. But somebody tell me about what you did. Really, you are right. I damaged myself. I hurt myself. I didn't get anything out of it. And I just lost more and more. Now, when we admit the sinning, we don't show alone. You have to understand, you have to come to recognition to understand that it wasn't worth it. We didn't get anything. That temptation, whatever that we got out of it, it's not worth it. So that is the precision of Shuvah. Shuvah is to understand that the consequence of the chet is that the person gets away from all the shpar, gets away from the reality. And all of the sin is illusion of reality. It's not real. All of the temptation, all of the things, it's not real. It's not reality. The reality is that the person loses his shafut of shpar, loses his connection with Hashem, his shemira from all the shpar. Therefore, that recognition is part of the Viduy. Velo Shava wasn't worth it for us. We wasted our time. It was just temptation that wasn't worth it. But a lot of times, things become very appealing and a lot of attraction. The person, when he sees and pays attention to it, a lot of times when the person, the Tzara comes to a person, the person should tell the Tzara, no, not now, later on, not now, later on. Because all of it creates illusion of reality. I say that you have to catch the moment, seize the thing, do it right now. You don't do it, you're going to lose it. I say that. Until now, I'm clean. 5 more minutes, 10 more minutes, okay. And the other thing is that Yetzirah comes to a person and tells the person that the thing that they're doing, I'm not saying that do such a great sin. It's a small thing, it's small. Always the person should tell Yetzirah like this. If I do completely, I'm going to do it. If not, I'm not going to do it. Because Yetzirah tries to minute the sin and tell you you're not doing anything and start you up. And once you start up, then you escalate in the Avera more and more and more. Nobody becomes a great sinner right away, overnight. Little by little, little by little. But if you tell Yetzirah, no, I'm going to go all the way or I'm not going to do anything, then that's the way to fight with Yetzirah. But at the end of the video, you say, you are right on whatever that happened to us. We did the truth, and we are with you. We have been with you. So this is, in every court the person goes, the person has to claim that's not guilty, that shouldn't be guilty, and we work hard not to be guilty. By the court of Allah, the last thing that we say, we accept the decree of Hashem. The truth, and we have been weakened. Therefore, that is the great zechut. The greatest zechut is that the person should accept the decree of Hashem. Once we accept the decree of Hashem, it's not just a zechut and merit, but the Hashem empowers the person to carry the decree that he made. In other words, the decree that he made is not just the decree to prevent or anything, to grow, to make a person grow. once a person has that power of acceptance, that accepts the decree of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, then Hashem would empower him. Hashem would guarantee that the person would be empowered to carry the decree. That's why at the end of the Anna, every day, he said, because even Adam Arishon, when Adam Arishon says, why did you eat? He says that the lady gave it to eat the ocher. She said, I ate. Doesn't say, I ate the ocher. Instead of eating. If she would have given me more, I would eat more. In other words, the Midrash says, if Adam Arishon would have said, Tati, Aviti, Pashati, and prepared it, I was wrong with forgiving. But since he didn't say that, he says, no, I'm going to repeat it. Not a lot of times the person justifies what he's doing, and the Father also justifies it. That Adam Arishon justified it and caused all of the mitah come to Olam and everything. He would have said that I accept the decree about Baruch Hu and Atati Aviti Pashati, then HaKadosh Baruch Hu would forgive him